Now we'll come to the third application related to numbers of PNC. Then first two we have seen based on the sequence and condition, and first we have seen based on, you can say, just like a restricted permutation. Now third application that will be much helpful, you can say factors and multiples. Factors and multiple related, you can say various application of the various applications are there where PNC will be utilized. Like just we'll try to go through type of factors. Next is your total number of factors, odd even factors, or expression of a factor in different format. Just we'll take one simple example. We will be able to get very good clarity about all these thoughts and what can be the application. Just to take number equal to 10,800, we will just able to prime factorize 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power q into 5 square, or you can write 2 to the power a into 3 to the power b into 5 to the power c. Total factor meaning is selection from similar 0 or more. What is meaning of factor? Factor is like here 2 to the power 4, meaning is 4 number of 2's are there that is similar, because 2 to 2 cannot be different. Any 2 cannot be different, means 4 number of 2's we have that is similar, and we have to select 4 number of 2's either 0 or more way. Then how many ways we got? Selection of 0 or more ways from similar things. If n things are there, then n plus 1. Here how many things are there? A number of 2's are there, then a plus 1. B plus 1 3, again for 5 c plus 1. Means we have to select similar number of 2's 0 or more, similar number of 3's 0 or more, similar number of 5 0 or more, then a plus 1 into b plus 1 into c plus 1. For this case 5 into 4 into 3 60. Total you will get total 60 number of factors you have 10,800. Out of that how many odd factor will be there? Just to remove even factor 2 to the power 4, you remove it, you will get the odd factor, means remaining is b plus 1 into c plus 1. Total you got 12 number of factor that will be odd in nature. Number of odd factor, odd number of factor, both are different. I think in number we have discussed in very detail, no need to come again and again. Just I am just explaining here. Based on the PNC point of view, not numbers point of view. Already we have taken numbers very, each and every session are, you can say, explanatory, self-explanatory, and every session we have taken in very detailed way, like number of factor, total number of factor, number of odd factor, reverse of factor, everything we have seen. Then here number of odd factor will be 12, number of even factor, just to take total minus odd, it will become